Fire victims on the steps of the Capitol this morning for a wildfire survivors rally. They're from all across the state, and they want to convince legislators to focus on wildfire prevention and to hold utility companies accountable for following safety protocol. CBS 13's Elisa Becerra was at the rally today to hear the survivors' stories.
We're here on the north steps of the Capitol where a group called Up From the Ashes, made up predominantly of wildfire survivors, is asking that the governor pay attention and focus on fire prevention. They also are asking that the governor and the legislature make sure that they don't take away their constitutional rights.
The purpose today is to have the legislature and governor focus on prevention so that these fires don't happen again. Focus on accountability so that our utilities, PG&E, maintain state standards. So if they do create damage, we're reimbursed for that damage.
Stop the fires spreading.
For those who've survived these fires, they say recent smoke of fires burning in Mendocino and Redding bring up these images that they have lived through, and they want to make sure that other fire victims don't go through the same thing. They want to make sure that the new fire season isn't the norm.
We had many fires in our own city before the main fires came in, so I felt it was important to be up here to help preserve the rights of the cities and other fire departments that will experience this in the future. So we're experiencing it now in Redding. We're experiencing it in Mendocino counties, Lake counties, Colusa counties. And I feel it's important that we're here to support those communities.
Again, the goal here is what their banners say: don't burn fire victims again. They're trying to bend the ear of the governor and the legislature. Back to you.
CBS 13's Elisa Becerra reporting for us from the state capitol.